Last night, we brought you the story of Catholic monk Justin Gilligan, who said he witnessed misconduct on the part of Msgr Craig Harrison of Bakersfield. He shared his story with 17's Olivia Lavoie, who returns tonight with an update as Harrison's team works on its response. Olivia?
Well, Jim, Brother Justin said while he was studying to be a priest under Msgr Harrison's guidance and support, he was a victim of inappropriate touching and sexual advances by Harrison. He said he came out publicly because he knew the first accuser to reveal their identity would likely be attacked by Harrison's attorney and his supporters. He wanted to be the one to take that on for the other men who have filed police reports and chosen to stay anonymous. Tonight, we have new information from Harrison's attorney, Kyle Humphrey, who has spoken out multiple times since multiple allegations surfaced last month against the priest. Humphrey says Harrison himself will issue a statement soon. This will be the first time Msgr Harrison has spoken out since posting on Facebook on April 25th.
Yes, we look forward to him coming home pretty soon. It was really, really important that he got some time away. I mean, it's just completely devastating to take everything that you've built your life around away from a man.
Humphrey said he remains absolutely certain Harrison is innocent. He believes the allegations stem from a well-orchestrated attempt to frame Harrison and get money from the diocese. Though no criminal charges have been filed, he said he is working on Harrison's defense around the clock and confirmed he is using multiple private investigators gathering evidence to defend the Msgr.
I usually have one, but because we're tracking some things down around various places, we've contracted out with others.
Meanwhile, last night's story has generated a lot of talk by viewers on both sides of this case, as well as lots of people who are in between. Sacramento attorney Joe George, who is representing 4 men alleging sexual misconduct by Harrison when they were minors, has issued a statement in Brother Justin's support. More specifically, George said he is appreciative that Brother Justin set the record straight in terms of clarifying that the diocese was investigating allegations against Harrison before any of his clients came forward. He says his client, who it previously seemed started the multi-agency investigation, never went to the diocese. They came to him. He said, quote, "The men we represent thank Brother Justin for having the courage it took for him to make this public statement. Our men are heartened by a remarkable, conscientious young Catholic cleric." Again, we expect to have a statement directly from Msgr Harrison soon. But for now, in studio, I'm Olivia Lavoie, 17 News.